Yeah, let's go.
Hi everybody, it's Fred again here, and believe it or not, I'm outside the Johannesburg Stadium, which is Ellis Park, now called Coca-Cola Park. And it's 29 days left to the World Cup. And believe it or not, on the 3rd of July, I'll be watching the quarterfinals. Who knows will it be? I wish we'd know. So have a look at the stadium and the surrounding. They've done a magnificent job. And we're just waiting now, 29 days to the World Cup to start. My God, can you believe it? After so long that it's been planning.
And John speaks Stadium.
Okay. It's a magnificent day. We get the weather back to normal in Johannesburg as winter, and it's a magnificent view, and you can have a look at the stadium also. It's beautiful down. On the 3rd of July, the quarterfinals.
A nice view here.
The World Cup. Who can it be? Italy and Brazil? Ah, who knows? And I got 2 tickets. Can you believe it? 2 tickets. One is for me and one it can be for you. If you guess and join me on Facebook, send me an email and tell me who is going to be at the quarterfinals playing at Ellis Park on the 3rd of July, 8:30. It's a Saturday night. Who is it going to be? Tell me, and you'll be joining me for a view of a match of the quarterfinals.
A nice view by the stadium, you know.
And we'll be meeting again. So take care and have a fantastic July. Thank you.
Shop.